I have finished my water bottle. There is no sink around. There's no place for me to fill up my water, except for right here out in nature. On our navigation systems, as we're following our maps, it shows us where there are water supplies on our day. So we plan our day around that. Let me show you how we collect it and treat it. Somebody has put a nice little leaf here in the water that's coming down the hill so that it comes out almost like a spout. I'm going to fill up this bag, and this is a dirty water bag. This is where all the water that's unfiltered goes into. I don't put any unfiltered water into my drinking water. So this is 2 liters. Well, that filled up quickly, didn't it? I'm going to fill it, and close it up, and now there are lots of different ways to do it, but I use a little water filter. And this gets out bacteria and viruses out of the water, including norovirus. So
hold it.
This is the filter, the water filter. I'm going to attach that onto the end of my dirty water bag. Gotta make sure not to leave my cap behind. So I'm just going to screw it right on here. And watch what happens here. I'm going to take the lid off of my water bottle. And my water, can you see the water dripping out? The water is just going to fill this 1 liter water bottle. So I have 2 liters here. So my cousin Sandy Spinner will have the other liter. And we share when we're at water sources like this. Since there's so much water on the Appalachian Trail, there's really no need for us to carry a lot of extra water. Water weighs 2 pounds for every liter. And I know we've talked about trying to keep pack weight down, to be gentle to our bodies and kind to our bodies, and this is one of the ways we can do it, is to not carry too much water along the trail. But I don't know if you can see how the water bottle is filling up here. It's slow, but it's steady. That's probably a better view over on this side. About 1/3 of the way. It takes about a minute, minute and a half to fill up this water bottle. Whoops. Great. Fresh water from the water source. Mrs. Gordon's 3rd grade class in Peterborough, New Hampshire had a question for me. So this week's question is, why, when I crossed into North Carolina, did I start going so far east? Well, here's an interesting story that I did a little research on. Tennessee and North Carolina used to all be one state called North Carolina. North Carolina ceded the Tennessee part of the state in 1790 and gave it to the United States. The east of the Appalachian Mountains is called the Cumberland Plateau, and that is where Tennessee is. And the Appalachian Mountains kind of go up and to the east and to the north. And since we are following the Appalachian Trail in the Appalachian Mountains, that is why the trail goes to the east and not straight north. We are following those Appalachian Mountains that are the dividing line between North Carolina and Tennessee, where North Carolina sent off part of their state over 300 years ago. Thanks for the question, you guys. That was a really good one, and I had to do some research to come up with the answer for that. I am at a river on the Appalachian Trail at mile 137 that is very popular with whitewater rafters and kayakers. And today they are holding the U.S. team time trials where people are competing to participate in racing events around the world. The name for this river comes from a Cherokee word meaning land of the noonday sun. Can you figure out where I am? right, just met somebody here. What's your name?
I'm Kenny Kellogg.
Kenny Kellogg. Are you competing?
Yes, I am. I'm competing in the pro men's, and we're competing for the U.S. team trials. And if you make the team, you get a chance to compete for the United States in Sort in Spain at the World Championships.
And when is that held?
July. Sometime in July.
So are all of you guys competing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Where are you all from?
Colorado.
I'm from Tennessee.
Colorado, Tennessee, and
Colorado.
Colorado. Awesome. Good luck, you guys.
Thank you.
Rock it.